Hey everyone! Today I'm unboxing my 2026 happiness planner from Doodle. Let's open the box. Everything inside is arranged so neatly. It really feels like a little happiness kit. The first thing we have is a mini diary. Simple and cute. Next, 2 quote poster cards, very positive and colorful. Then 2 bookmarks, really pretty and useful. And finally, the 2026 planner itself. The outside looks so premium and aesthetic. I'll stop here before opening the planner. The full inside review will be in the next video.